Hello, friends. Today, we're going to learn some brand new sight words. How exciting is that? This is our sight words list 3, and I know you're going to do a fantastic job. Here's how we're going to learn these words today. First, I'll read each word to you. Then, I'll read the words again, and you'll repeat them after me. Finally, you'll get a chance to read them all by yourself. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Let's get started. First, I'll read each word to you. Listen carefully. Do, can, could, when, did, what, so, see, not, were, get, them, like, one, this, my, would, me, will, yes. Now, let's try something fun. I'll read the words one more time, and this time, you repeat them after me. Ready?
Yeah!
Do, can, could, when, did, what, so, see, not, were, get, them, like, one, this, my, would, me, will, yes. You are doing so well! Now, it's your turn to read the words all on your own. I know you can do it. Ready? Go ahead. Great job, everyone!
Yeah!
Keep practicing, and soon you'll be reading these words in all your favorite books. Remember, practice makes perfect, and I'm so proud of you. See you next time for more learning fun. Bye for now.